അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് കെ എൻ ജഗദീഷ് കുമാറാണ് ഇത് സംബന്ധിച്ച പരാതി സമർപ്പിച്ചത്. അദ്ദേഹം ഇപ്പോൾ തത്സമയം ബ്രേക്കിംഗ് ഹാസിൽ. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് കെ എൻ ജഗദീഷ് കുമാർ. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, what is the basis of your allegation? Can you explain?
Basically, I think in 1994, the present Rajya Sabha member Raju Chandrasekhar family, that's his father-in-law and wife, get I think 149 acres land from farmers through KIDB. KIDB is known to establish industrial establishment in Karnataka. The main focus of KIDB is to help the I think people who wanted to establish business factories, in Karnataka. Through KIDB, the Raju Chandrasekhar father-in-law, I think father-in-law and wife acquires 149 acres and in 1996 and promising to KIDB that they will establish BPL factory, which I think Raju Chandrasekhar's father-in-law was owning and wife was owning, and she's also a director. Wife is also a director, and through I think the big conspiracy is I think Raju Chandrasekhar through his influence get this land to his wife and father-in-law. Later, as per the agreement from the KIDB, they're supposed to give a plan in 3 months and establish a factory there. Even after 14 years, they don't put a single brick in that 149 acres. They acquire through KIDB for 6 crores, and in 2009, after 14 years, they sell it to Maruti Suzuki for approximately around 500 crores.
How this become possible?
No, I think because of corruption involved in I think various government last 20 years, various government know this. The biggest fact is the land given by KIDB was Karnataka Industrial Area Development Corporation. The main focus of the KIDB is to ensure Raju Chandrasekhar father-in-law and wife establish a BPL colorful factory, BPL TV colorful factory. But these people, they cheat farmers, they cheat KIDB, and of course, and the biggest thing is that the government in 2009, the BJP government, the then I think KIDB minister Katta Subramanian Naidu gives permission this cheaters to sell this land. And everything seems to be conspired, a very big conspiracy to make a large sum of money. Investing 6 crores, buying a land for 149 acres for investing 6 plus crores and selling it to 500 plus crores, growing money by influence, by sitting in politics, by opening. I think he has a Suvarna news channel in Karnataka also. The person from Kerala established in Karnataka with this kind of achievement.
So you are fighting for the farmers, right?
Definitely, madam. And it's a big cheating thing has happened. I have filed a complaint to CBI, Enforcement Directorate, and DRI, and also I have given a representation to MB Patil, the present minister. He was shocked. He was shocked to know that KIDB land, which was supposed to become a factory, nothing happened, and these people sold it. In bits and pieces, they sell it. 80 acres, 80 plus acres, 30 acres, like that. They sell it to different consignments and make 500 crores. 6 crores in 1996, and in 2009, 500 crores. They are growing money by illegal way of taking land, promising the government they will establish a factory, but cheating the government. Farmers want to grow.
So you are saying it's a larger conspiracy. So involving Raju Chandrasekhar and the Karnataka government officials then. Could you specify who are the leaders? Who are the leaders involved in it? Could you specify the leaders?
Definitely, ministry is involved. Katta Subramanian Naidu from the same BJP is involved, allowing this. They don't have permission to even to sell. Illegally, they sold the land. And before selling the land, 4 years before, they pledged the land in the Kuwait. Bank of Kuwait, they split this land also. See, this land was granted to Raju Chandrasekhar, father-in-law and wife, to establish a factory and create, I think, employment, which never happened. They never, built a factory. They never gave a labor. They just took the land, kept it for 14 years, sold it for Maruti Suzuki, Zindal, so many establishment. They sold it in piece and made money of 500 crores. The land losers, farmers, they got only 1 lakh rupees per acre. 1 lakh rupees per acre in 1996. Whereas these people, by selling it, they made 4 crores on each acre. Approximately, I think 500 crores he made.
We all know that Raju Chandrasekhar is very powerful. He got the MP seat from Karnataka also. Do you think that BJP leadership in the Karnataka are also involved in it?
Definitely. The permission was given by the BJP government. The then minister called Katta Subramaniadu, who was also in jail for corruption charges. He was in jail. His son was in jail.
Okay.
For same minister gave permission also. This is rampant corruption by the so-called person who gave, the preachings of Hindutva, everything. But this same person who is running a TV channel in Karnataka took, Rajya Sabha member seat and try to preach within his TV channel as literally his family has cheated his father-in-law, Gopal, I think Nambiar, if I'm not wrong, his name is Gopal Nambiar. His wife was also director in that company. That is BPL India Limited.
Yeah.
The land was granted to BPL India Limited. All these were directors. I think Raju Chandrasekhar was in a bigger place to conspire all this. He is very much aware. Raju Chandrasekhar is very much aware that his father-in-law wife has done seriously wrong, which he never bothered.
Okay. After filing the complaint, do you face any threat?
Definitely, against me, few criminal cases have been filed by police supporting this fellow. We don't mind. I'm an advocate. We have seen much bigger struggle and we have faced much bigger things.
Can you explain this? From where did you get the threat?
See, politically, area DCP is telling, don't get into Raju Chandrasekhar opposing deal. What is the deal? He has, his family has cheated. Raju Chandrasekhar, father-in-law, wife has cheated the farmers, KADB, and also the government. Why not to raise our voice? I started raising my voice. There are 5 false criminal cases filed against me.
Did you approach the court?
No. That I took the bail as an advocate. We have a team of advocates, and definitely I got a relief. But biggest thing is that, this person, if I'm not wrong, Raju Chandrasekhar is, I think, the president for Kerala BJP. I don't know. The people of Kerala should know what this Raju Chandrasekhar and his family is doing in Karnataka. They are trying to cheat the government. They are trying to cheat the farmers. They have already cheated the KADB and they never did anything.
Okay, Congress government is in power in Karnataka now. How hopeful are you that the Congress government will enquire the matter seriously?
No. When I met the minister, MB Patil, who is also for industrial minister, he was shocked. And I gave him the representation also. Sir, please look into matter. Raju Chandrasekhar, the person who is a Rajya Sabha member, the president of Kerala BJP, who is owning a TV channel, his family has cheated, his father-in-law, wife has cheated. They made a lump sum of 500 crores out of cheating the KADB and the farmers and the government. He was shocked. He took it. It's already 10 days. And they're trying to pressurize me not to speak to anybody, not to expose this.
Okay, can you explain about the documents, how the sale took place?
In 1994, 250 acres, the KADB, Karnataka Industrial Area Development Corporation, acquires in near to Bangalore. There's a place called Nelamangala. Dabaspete. There they acquired 250 acres, out of which 149 acres was given on lease to Rajiv Chandrasekhar father-in-law's company BPL India Limited, saying that within 6 months you establish and establish the factory and ensure the employment is created. Forget about 6 months. Even after 6 years, 9 years, they don't build the factory, and ultimately they approach the government, the same BJP government, to pledge the land, 149 acres in the Bank of Kuwait. They pledge it there. The BJP government allows it. The BJP government allows it. Later, after 3 years, they say, we are not building anything, we wanted to sell it. Same BJP government, Katta Subramanian Naidu, who is also accused in, there is also in Karnataka Lokayukta, there is a prevention of under PC Act. There is also a complaint pending before Karnataka Lokayukta on this particular case. But even in Karnataka Lokayukta for last 11 years, this file is catching dust. So much influence Rajiv Chandrasekhar and his family is forcing on this land to escape the consequences of criminal consequences as well as the civil consequences.
Okay, how confident are you now? You have enough evidence now, right?
I have sent a series of police officials, IPS officers, former CM, many to jail. I have a history sending corrupt to jail. Okay. And I'm sure even in this case, I think the wrongdoer, the criminal conspirators will definitely land in jail. And the biggest the question is now Rajiv Chandrasekhar is using his influence to close this case. Even with the Congress, I heard the Congress is having talks with this this family so that they bury this.
Okay. Thank you, Advocate K. N. Jagdish Kumar.
Yes. Thank you.